Patpong Night Market, guys. Check it. Probably won't talk too much in this one. Dancing clubs on either side of the market here. Ping pong show, whatever you want. It's here. All the car brands are really nice, actually. One of the things I actually saw that I was like, man, I'd buy one of those, but I'm not. Noticed a couple bands playing in the bars on either side. Basic American, Australian, and British cover bands. Take watches. The Rolexes definitely are not real. I don't care what they tell you.
Open here. Far away. Laser.
Kind of like MBK Mall, but just out on the street. A lot less consumer electronics and things like that you would see in a mall. They cleaned it up a year or two back. There used to be a lot more illicit goods too. Weapons and women. And still has all that. So don't let that fool you. Some Foglies, Rayburns, Genesis. I said everything you don't need, or you do.
But we have to have two of it, one inside and one outside. You have to copy the 마음 생각에 왜 그렇게 소통한다고
จากน้อยๆไม่เดียวฟอร์มไทยแลนด์มันต้องมีมั่งนะไม่มองเลยนะขวัญไม่สนใจเลย
Hey guys, it's been Zach with Savage Traveling at the Patpong Night Bazaar. Hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.